people, it's your girl Reine. Welcome back to my channel. I know you can see the hair. Today's video is gonna be all about this hair. I'm gonna be doing a wig review from Amazon, guys. Yes, I said it right, Amazon. And hold up, this is synthetic, guys. Synthetic. I'm gonna tell you guys everything you need to know and how to make it look super natural like this, guys. Like this, how to make it look so beautiful, so popping, guys. So before we get into it, please subscribe if you're new, hit the bell so every time I drop you'll be notified. Give this video a thumbs up, it helps more people to see this video. So guys, I can't wait any longer. Let's get right into this review.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
So guys, here's the wig with me and it's time to try it on. But before I try it on, guys, I'm just looking at it and it looks so good. It feels very thick, which is good. It does feel exactly how it looks. The curls are bouncing. Even though this is synthetic hair, it looks so much like real hair, guys. It looks a lot like real hair. I mean, just take a look at that texture and that bounce. It's just so beautiful, guys. The color, the stripe, ooh, I'm so excited. So as you guys can see, I've already prepped my hair for the wig. All I did was a couple of big cornrows and I put on the wig cap that came with the wig. So if you're not new on this channel and you've seen my other wig reviews, then you know what's up, you know how I do my hair. And if you haven't, then please check out my other wig reviews. There's plenty of them on my channel. Before I actually go ahead and put the wig on, guys, I'm gonna cut this lace right off, okay? I feel like it doesn't make a difference if I'm being real. It's not like it's up here, you know, it's literally just there for no reason. So I'm just gonna cut it off. Hold up. One second. Just give me a minute, guys. Oh my god. I did not do anything to this wig. I just put it on and look at it. Oh my god. I feel like this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. It is giving. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm loving this wig so much. For a synthetic wig, guys, it is so gorgeous. What? I'm impressed. I didn't expect it to look so good already without even doing anything to it. I literally just put it on and it's looking like a 10. Wow, I just can't get over how beautiful this wig is, you guys. It's so gorgeous. And this is Amazon and this is synthetic. What? So just to make it look a little bit more natural, all I'm gonna do is use a little bit of foundation. I'm using my foundation stick and really flat brush. This is the brush I use to fix my eyebrows up, okay? So something like this, put a little bit of your foundation on it. Guys, they've already done the parting for you, as you guys can see, so you don't have to worry yourself trying to do a parting. It's already right there. So all you do is take your brush with your foundation on it and you know, just go over it like so. So this is good for people like me who are black, basically dark skin. And if you are white, if you have lighter skin, you probably don't need to do this, but I will still recommend that you go ahead and do it so that it just matches your skin tone more. So use the foundation that is closest to your skin tone and do this, and it's gonna look really nice. If you want to, you can make some baby hairs. So you can kind of see that they've sort of like left some hair for you to make some baby hairs with. So you just want to grab that out just like so. I'm only gonna use a little bit because I don't want too much baby hair, just a little bit. So guys, this will do. I think this is perfect. So all you want to do is cut it. I think here is fine. Cut it just like that. I'm going to use my red one hair wax, guys. As always, I love this so much. And I'm just gonna make some really simple baby hair, nothing too crazy. Very natural. I'm feeling it. Oh my god. If you're feeling it so far, guys, give this video a thumbs up. Tell me you're liking it because I am loving it. And if you want to go the extra mile to make sure this stays secure, you can use your got to be glued free spray or your got to be glue, you know, whatever you feel comfortable with, to just make sure that it looks nice and neat and lays flat.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
It's just so easy, so simple to just switch it up, left, right, center. You can do so much to it, guys. And one thing I love about synthetic wigs is that the curls don't go, they stay just the way they are.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all...
So guys, there you have it. You've basically seen everything you need to see about this wig. Now the only thing left for you to do is to go ahead and purchase the wig. I will leave the link of this wig in the description box. It is beautiful. It's very lightweight. It feels very thick and full. The curls are beautiful, and I love how the wig, even though it's synthetic, it moves like water, guys. It moves like it's real hair, which is amazing. The way the wig has been made, starting from the front, like the lace and everything, it is amazing. I'm giving that a 10 because it looks so natural. Even though it's synthetic, guys, there's also no shedding, which is A1. I love that. Overall, I think the wig is an amazing wig. It's great value for your money. So guys, these are just my thoughts. If you have any questions on this wig, if there's anything you want to know, please leave it in the comment box down below. I will definitely check it out. One thing I forgot to mention as well is that it fits on my head really well. Guys, look at that. It's just sitting there perfectly. It goes really well around my ears, going all the way to the back and around again. It's just on really perfectly, and it's quite stretchy as well, so it's definitely gonna fit other people. If your head is bigger, it's gonna fit. If your head is smaller, you've got those adjustable straps that you can use to make the wig tighter, you know. So yeah guys, these are just my thoughts on the wig, and oh god, I don't want to take it off. It's so beautiful. Guys, I'm going out just so more people can see this hair. I'm gonna walk outside. So guys, we've reached the end of today's video. If you're new on this channel and you haven't yet subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget the bell right beside it, so every time I drop a video you'll be notified. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.